Wayanad, a paradise nestled in the heart of Kerala, where nature's beauty knows no bounds. In the heart of Wayanad's untouched nature, Vythiri lies a paradise waiting to be explored. Welcome to Pabis' luxurious stay. From the moment you step inside, you will be captivated by the blend of modern comfort and charm that lives in this stay. Each room is a sanctuary of comfort and style. With attention to detail and modern amenities, our rooms provide the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. At Pabis, we believe in preserving the pristine beauty of Wayanad. Whether it's a honeymoon, anniversary, or just a romantic getaway, Pabis offers the perfect setting for your story. Wake up to breathtaking views of lush landscapes. At Pabis, we believe in preserving the pristine beauty of Wayanad. Enjoy our cycling adventure and immerse yourself in the breathtaking scenery. Savor the flavors of Wayanad at our in-house restaurant. Indulge in our hospitality while we help create you memories. We invite you to create unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. Book your stay at Pabis and experience the magic of Wayanad like never before. Pabis' luxurious stay, Vythiri, Wayanad.